ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗ IDPPC internally displaced person si yan hanbadidi 2007 muk lairame 2007 muk lairambasi khara amadi khatang irang jenen da gok tobadi ki my relatives ta mai khara ma hanagre ado hojik aigi thang ke ne lesi 1487 akoi gi IDPPs layaba haiba 1487 IDPPs si akoi lakai gi mantop ta community hall da school da ground da khazal da man amolai laibang atane ba mamang lemba previous government do da I brought so many times I asked so many times akoi KEISU prefect yum kha sabiu hajiki IDPP level sinau jingji ki moi wari ba mo lebam sabang khang de yam ji yenga prefect house kha sabiu in many times I request I wrote the letters also. I wrote the letters to the concerned DC also, and DC has forwarded the letter to the government also. I'm the term de atopa jaga this sagi. Adu so in the government highlight torokan the issue prefect da jum the sabiu IDPP now in the yenga. Kalima haji man mantop ta labor ko to siam the war and adu kaina hype. Mantop se koi marang kunok da Manangro the Zaga home lay, Mangro Makalaka Mantop the Zoo, IDP housing lay, Mangro Makalaka Mayagi Mantop the Zoo, IDP housing lay, they get the Sandapur Mantop the Zoo, IDP housing lay, they give Maranko Mamang Sabon the Zoo, Mantop Sima occupied Tarakan IDP housing lay, Tanga Singada lay, the Mant of the Zaga, Mamam lay, Mantop Sing say, the Mantop Sing say, Kogi long Tolokpa, Debaka Matolum, Yana Pomleba, the IDP housing zoo. Moidu am nungaja da lebam chong khang da ba adagi thau ba thau ding su moidu nungai ta ba adu be kha lei ba adum yam da ina highlight to padi mai machine kyam like punna 1487 mai pasam na ma chip to ki hybrid mai ta be akoina jaga to pi de kan house me upside da na ai chap bi ko gi kano lak chu ba settlement je lak chu ba di asagi IDP sinau je ma phom lei ba se prefect house sai you must have a salad of beer. I would do I can't get it. So, I just 5%. Maphamda, we have places. We got place there in the Morankuno. We have place there in the Khatinungai. कोई जगह भी आइडेंटिफाई कर गवर्नमेंट ने आइडेंटिफाई कर
ngasi gi siga kudung sa bom tan lokjo hoge akhoi gi SPG kakching je da SPG ri bam da transfer ta web si political gi wa manung da nungai na da bane hair mayam da khana le bi kai khandi ge
oi aji kakching le SPG shona chan bai gadra ma je she's my wife, she's my spouse, I know adubu ma di government service ni, she's a servant of the government, so whatever decision taken by the government, whatever the job tasks given by the government, she has to follow. If the government wants her to go to the Jiribam, she has to go. And if the government wants her to go to the Sisipur, she has to go. Because the government is Sabanina. And we don't have any interference with political. As far as I know, my wife is very firm, very committed with her job.